Hello, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. And an issue that we are constantly asked is, how many hours can I work while being on disability? And this is not necessarily something that for most folks is an issue, but it needs a little bit of explanation. Yes, the Social Security Administration does examine whether an individual is working and whether that work is counted toward the SGA, which is the substantial gainful activity. However, it's not necessarily the number of hours that you work that they're really that concerned about in most instances. It really is about the SGA level of how much money is earned in a given month. And for 2019, the SGA is $1,220 a month. Each year, the Social Security Administration establishes an earnings amount that they consider to be self-supporting, and that becomes the SGA monthly earnings limit. Why is this important? Why is the number of hours not necessarily important? Well, that is the big question that the Social Security Administration, when they're looking to see whether a person meets the criteria of disability, they look at the SGA. However, there are situations where people are self-employed or a corporate owner who could potentially work hours while receiving no pay. And so then that might be a scenario where the Social Security Administration looks at the actual hours and pay or income received. But generally, a self-employed individual may work up to 45 hours per month, which is about 10 hours per week, and still be eligible for disability benefits. And that's just a general rule. And that's if they're not the only person working for the business and they aren't making substantial income. It really is more complicated than this, but hopefully this is a little bit of a guideline that'll help let you know about how many hours you can work while on disability and why it may or may not apply to your situation. If you have questions or concerns about this, please give us a call at 205-930-6900. Our website is nomberglaw.com. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, telling us why, and subscribe to the channel so you'll get future videos. If you didn't care for the video, we'd like to hear about that as well. You can also find us on Twitter and Facebook.